Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen again. This is our new EV charger setup. We have two of them. They're not online yet, but they will be soon. We will be getting our first batch of 2022 ID.4s. There's about 6 of them coming. So look for some videos on those, but here's the wireless not wireless charging. I'm so used to saying wireless charging. Your EV chargers right here. So these are going to be level 2 chargers, I believe. I'll have to double check to make sure, but they're installed and ready to go, but they're not live yet. And I do believe that these are going to be on the Electrified Network, America network as well. But we've been waiting on these for a little bit, and now they're here. So stay tuned. Lots of EV stuff coming. If you're interested in anything, any EV, the ID.4, ID.6, any of those things there, give me a call or shoot me a text, or actually better yet, leave me a comment down below. Those are all things that are allegedly coming to the US as well. So and also ID Buzz 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. There's Peyton. Woo! Have a good day, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.